Greetings fellow Star Wars fans, it's Scott from Jakku Review. Today I'm doing an unboxing for the Millenium Falcon Hot Wheels diecast. Jakku Review. So on the front it shows you that it has the Falcon on the box art. There's the Falcon in the packaging. And it comes with a flight navigator which helps you move it around. There's a demonstration. So let's get her out of the package. So, there's the beautiful Falcon out of the packaging. As you can see, the little flight navigator comes with the Star Wars logo on it. Let's see her in action. What happened to the Falcon, Chewie? Some moof milker decided to shrink the Falcon. Quick, it's getting away! That's right, Chewie, we'll get her back. So, there you have the Hot Wheels diecast Millenium Falcon. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and hit subscribe, and I'll be back tomorrow with a new video. Thanks for watching, bye.